The brightest beauty is never born from peace. It's born from collisions, the kind that strikes straight to the soul. You're witnessing the beginning of an aurora, but before the light appears, the sky must endure an invisible storm. Today, let this painting and the book Man's Search for Meaning tell you about one of life's greatest paradoxes, the art of turning pain into a masterpiece. In the language of physics, an aurora is actually an attack. A solar storm hurls billions of tons of plasma straight toward Earth at a speed meant to destroy. But Earth does not run. It doesn't hide. It takes the impact, bends it, and transforms that destructive force into ribbons of living light dancing across the sky. It does not reject the storm. It rises with it. Viktor Frankl did exactly this. In a real-world hell, the Auschwitz concentration camp. Stripped of his name, his clothing, and even his dignity, he realized he was just like that dark, battered night sky. But Frankl wrote, "Everything can be taken from a man but one thing, the last of the human freedoms, to choose one's attitude." He could not stop the cruelty of the guards. He could not change the brutality around him. But he chose to let his soul collide with that reality. And instead of collapsing, he found meaning in the deep, burning desire to survive long enough to tell this story. Look closely at this stroke of color. That brilliant shade of emerald only appears at its brightest against the darkest sky. This is Frankl's idea of tragic optimism. Its true meaning is the courage to stare directly into the eyes of your own monster and say, "You may hurt me, but you will not stop me from shining." The light of the aurora is the sky's scar, and your strength, your true strength, is the light that rises from your own wounds. So if you feel like your life is being bombarded by storms, don't be afraid. That is the moment your solar storm is arriving. Don't run. Stand your ground. Take the impact and paint your own aurora. Because suffering fades, but the meaning you create from it will outlast everything. Painted wisdom, where brushstrokes meet insight. And here it is, the most beautiful part. The solar storm has passed. The streams of plasma have stopped colliding. Yet the light remains. It stays, not only on this canvas, but in that quiet moment Viktor Frankl calls the survival of the soul. Remember this: the tiniest stars in the sky can only be seen when the night is absolute. I'll see you again in the next contemplative painting. So don't fear the dark patches on the canvas of your life, because they are the only backdrop where your own aurora can ignite.